right. You can search, for example, if you want to get a H7 bulb, just type H7 bulb and you're gonna get a lot of options. So you have some blue ones here, but you don't want blue ones, you need clear ones. So we have a pair of Bosch bulbs here on Amazon. You can get those. There's gonna be other websites. So if you go to Amazon, again, you might have different options. You want these ones here. Some people upgrade their bulbs, they put LED ones or whatnot. But regarding the legality of those, I am not sure, so I can't really comment on that. I would just go ahead and fit the correct ones that came out of the car. So you got some H7s here as well, H7 here. Obviously you just click on that and then you buy it. And if you need a side light bulb, usually I just type in side light bulb, it comes up there, and these are the ones. Again, you might find some blue ones or different colors or LED ones or whatnot. Again, Amazon, you have, there is 10 here you can buy for nearly what, £3. But obviously if you have a I would normally buy something like these ones here maybe, but if you only need one or two, obviously then just search for a set like maybe these ones. These are Bosch, maybe a little bit more expensive, but they are Bosch, so they might cost a little bit more. But you can see there's lots of options you can buy. And also if you need an indicator bulb, so you can even type, so you can say, let's say it is A-class W176 front indicator bulb, and you want to get one of these because they are orange. These are been sold on eBay, £6. Autodoc is that type basically. So you just go ahead, and it's funny enough I can't really see one on Amazon, but pretty sure there are. It's just specifying the car and all of that, so maybe that's why. But here you go, eBay, Mercedes A-Class W176, and you can buy one or two or whatever, 1 year warranty. So that's how you can find your bulbs. Not really that difficult. So having said that, I hope the video helps, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.